Right now we're gonna talk about caps. Are you capping when it comes to the caps? I'm gonna give you receipts and facts. The first word in a sentence gets capped. All specific nouns gets capped. If it's a person or a place, it gets capped. If it's an organization, it gets capped. No cap, no cap. The first word in the quotation gets capitalization, cap. The letter I by itself, yo, gets capped. If it's a family relation, it gets capped. If it says Uncle Joe, it gets capped. If it says Aunt Joyce, it gets capped. And the address or location gets capped. Somebody's name gets capped. A main event gets capped. The majority of titles gets capped. If you don't follow this show, you capping. You're gonna learn today, cause I'm rapping. Cause Mr.O's rapping. Where my top scholars at? Capping for those honor student stats. Yo, that's cap. Or is that no cap? Yo, tell me which cap it is. But I'm gonna tell you what to capitalize, alright? To make you wise, alright? So see the light. Yeah. Mr.O in the building. Subscribe on YouTube. Mr.O, the hip hop teacher. I'm that rapping teacher, here to reach ya. Alright? Yo, stop capping. Unless you're supposed to put the caps there. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. Alright. Peace and success to all my top scholars. I'm out. Peace. No cap.